Hey everyone, welcome to episode 5 on how to model a house in Revit. And in this episode, we'll cover how to design interiors and shared spaces in Revit. So we'll define rooms, design common areas, and place fixtures and furniture to bring your house model to life. So let's dive in. So first, let's define the rooms and spaces in your project using the Room tool. So go to the Architecture tab and click on Room. Then simply click inside each enclosed area to place a room. This will automatically create a room tag for you. After placing rooms, make sure to give them clear names. Rename them based on their function, like living room or bedroom 1. And remember to assign room numbers in an organized way to avoid confusion later when you're documenting. So another quick tip, make sure your walls and partitions are connected properly so that the rooms are bounded correctly. If something's off, you can adjust the boundaries using the room separator lines. So next, let's look into shared spaces or common areas. So common areas are areas like entry halls, corridors, and stairwells. When designing these, make sure they allow smooth movement between rooms or units. Feel free to drop any questions about the video or suggestions for future ones down in the comments. Plan these spaces carefully so the flow is natural. Also, don't forget to design storage or utility rooms like laundry rooms or closets. Make sure to add any fixtures or appliances like a washing machine or water heater. When adding outdoor spaces like patios or decks, use the site tools to create those. Make sure they're accessible from both units and integrated into the overall design. Now let's add some furniture and fixtures for your room. So first, go to the Insert tab and click Load Family to import furnitures, fixtures, and other components. So you can find tons of resources from the Revit libraries or other external sources. So after loading your families, use the Component tool to place items like kitchen cabinets, sinks, toilets, and other built-in furniture. So be sure to position them correctly so the layout flows smoothly and everything is functional. So that's it for today's tutorial. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and of course, turn on notifications for the next episodes of the Full Model House in Revit series. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!